In this design, we are making a resume for fresh graduates with a degree in communication science. In this video, you don't need to make it from scratch, because I have provided a file that you can download and edit completely, either by changing the text or by changing the color. On this resume, we make with a simple and elegant theme. The resume consists of the name, graduate header, address, skills, education, a brief profile about yourself, experience, and recommenders. You can also add animations if you want to upload them to social media, be it LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other types of social media. Then you can export your edited resume to a file type if you want to send an application, such as an image format in either JPG or PNG, or to PDF if you want to send via email along with other documents. Microsoft PowerPoint provides these features with easy steps like in the video. That's a short way for you to make a CV for graduates of communication science. If you are interested in the file, you can get it for free. Download it on the website www.adolocac.com.